All right, there's the Biltmore, right in front of the Biltmore, and you can just see just so much mud. It's about 3 inches deep right here, and you can see right there, that looks to be about, that little area right there looks to be about 3 feet. There's a big hole right there that they cleaned out. You can see the excavator's going hard. Man, look at all that mud. It just goes up to the wall here and just spills right over. It's really insane how much mud is here. So this is Channel Drive right here, Channel Drive. All the way down. And Coral Casino's right over there. It's where I work 3 days a week in the mornings, coaching swimming. And it does not look like this is going to be open anytime soon. Yesterday when I was on the other side over there, it looked to be about the same depth of mud on the other side right up to the Coral Casino doors. It was really hard to tell because it was so far away. I couldn't get close enough to tell, but it looks like they've cleaned up a ton here since last night. Almost looks like you can kind of get through here now without getting stuck, even in like a normal car. Wow, look at that, just mud all the way through here.